in just 3 weeks.
I wish it would just stop.
Another massive nor'easter slamming the East Coast.
My shoes are soaked. I'm getting pelted with snow.
This is probably the worst one so far.
They're really hanging low here.
Hugh McCauley's neighborhood north of New York City barely got power back after the first storm. Now he worries the temporary lines won't hold more heavy, wet snow.
If we lose power today, it'll be a complete disaster for this community.
Along the Pennsylvania Turnpike, a tractor-trailer crash snarling traffic, while roads turn deadly for at least 3 people in New York and New Jersey.
This is a serious storm. It's not to be taken lightly.
More than 65 million from D.C. through Boston under winter storm warnings or advisories.
I don't ever remember this much snow in March.
Weather-weary residents pushed to the limit in what could still be a long night ahead for millions. Kristen Dahlgren, NBC News, Hartsdale.
Yo, what's up guys? Here is Pup Vlogs and welcome back to another vlog. Long time no see guys, but you know, Pup's back. There wasn't much to vlog anyway, but breaking news, puppers. We got winter storm Toby out here, man. I don't know if you can see the flurries coming down or not, but yeah, it's really coming down here. Big 2-day storm, you know, very exciting. I've been waiting for this storm from Mother Nature all winter long, and it's finally happening, guys. So I'm pretty excited about that. Winter storms. I love snowstorms. You know, it's a snow day also. No school today. But anyway, let's roll the cinematics on Winter Storm Toby. Let's make this a great vlog, guys. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but let's roll the cinematics. Yeah, winter storm. Yo guys, so it is day 2 now from Winter Storm Toby. Well, yesterday it was snowing, I mean. Yeah, man, these are the conditions right now. As you can see, you get a lot of snow all over the place, you know. But yeah, it was a good storm. Got about I'll put a picture on your screen right now. I got about 12 inches where I live. Sorry about the sun, I'm trying to position it. But anyway, yep, I'm on a 2-hour delay, so I don't have to go into school until late. And this is gonna be a quick vlog, but I just wanted to pick it up and show you the aftermath of the storm. Yeah, we got a good amount of snow, but anyway, I just want to show you the aftermath of the storm. As I said, hopefully you enjoyed this just little quick vlog on the Winter Storm Toby. If you did enjoy the vlog, this vlog, Remember to hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new, if you like my vlogs. I really appreciate it. And hope you take care today. Enjoy your day. My name is Pup. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog.